So I've had men with erectile dysfunction not keen on taking pills like Viagra, and they want something a bit more spontaneous and quicker acting. Well, there is a gel that you can buy over the counter without prescription from a doctor, known as Eroxon. The gel comes in a single-use tube, and what you do is you rub all the contents onto the head of the penis for about 15 seconds just before intercourse. It is thought to work by stimulating the nerve endings, and then you get a cooling and then a warming effect, and then you get the release of nitric oxide, which is responsible for dilating the smooth muscle of the penis, which allows for erection. Eroxon is known to achieve erection in men within 10 minutes compared to your ED pills like Viagra, Cialis or Levitra, which usually take 30 to 60 minutes. Common side effects of Eroxon are burning sensation and tingling of the penis, discomfort in the penis itself, or you might even get headaches and nausea. But does it really work? Well, reviews of this gel from one reputable pharmacy website tends to be very mixed, with some men saying that it had no effect whatsoever, or others saying that it was a bit too sticky to apply. Pardon the pun. There were complaints of the effects of the gel not lasting very long, with one specific review stating the gel only lasted for 10 to 15 minutes, which leaves little time for foreplay. The overall reviews on different websites range from 2 to 2.5, so it looks like the manufacturers of this product have a great idea, but they would have to go back to the drawing board. So if you're not able to take pills, or you're not keen on taking pills for erectile dysfunction, and you're looking for another topical alternative to Eroxon, then the next option is Alprostadil cream, also known as Vitaros. However, this is a prescription cream you would have to get from your doctor, as it is not available over the counter. Vitaros is applied onto the top of the head of the penis, and it is used 15 to 30 minutes before intercourse. This is used not more than 3 times a week and once in a 24-hour period, and the effect lasts for 1 to 2 hours. The main side effect tends to be irritation of the skin of the penis. So you can see that while Alprostadil cream or Vitaros lasts longer than Eroxon, so Alprostadil cream would last for 1 to 2 hours, whereas Eroxon has been thought to last for 10 to 15 minutes. However, Eroxon you can apply before every intercourse as many times as you want to, while Vitaros is advised not to use more than 3 times a week. So there are pros and cons to whichever cream you decide to use. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out my other videos on erectile dysfunction.